Okay guys, kain. So may pichay ako dito. Pichay with sardinas. And then I have this liempo pork belly na prinito ko lang. Then may sausawan. See, may sausawan. Okay. It's day of time. Wala akong pasok today kaya gusto kong kumain.